this is our third video guys. Nga atong paisgutan karon is our topic for today is all about basic display, variable, data types, and operators. So unsa man sila guys? So atong isgutan guys ang mga butang bahin sa basic display, variables, and data types and operators. So unsa ang basic display guys? So sa programming guys, usahay kinahanglan nato ipakita ang result sa atong gibuhat adto sa user sama sa pagpakita sa imong human drawing sa imong code. So sa Python guys gigamit nato ang command para mapakita og text sa uban nga information sa screen kay ang print. So tanawa atong example code guys. So basic display. In programming we to show output to the user. In Python, we use print function. For example guys, muna itong function. Print, hello world. And print, welcome to Caraga State University. As you can see guys, kung atong na siyang i-run guys, ang magawas ng aning result is ang hello world, welcome to Caraga State University. So example in Java guys, so ang ibuhat una diri guys, is ang public class Ashley. Nabuhat yung isang class nga akong gingangan og Ashley. Then, public static void means string args. So, muna yung akong main method guys, nga muna yung muna idagan sa Java. Then, system out print line function is muna siya sa Python. Ang sa Python lang is print. So, mauna siya trabaho guys. Then, hello world, system out print line, hello to, welcome to Caraga State University. So, ato ning run guys, ang magawas ani is hello world. Welcome to Caraga State University. So, what are variables? So, variables are like containers that store data. You give them a name and assign a value to name. So, as you can see guys, is nag-declare ta og variable daan. Nag-declare ta og variable nga name. Ito siyang i-assign into string nga itong ibutang argument nga Ashley R. Dodelius. So that's my name. Then age, integer, 21. Program, sumunod siya itong variable. Program is itong i-assign into string is IT, college school, Caraga State University. Then muna itong mga variables guys nga itong i-assign na ng mga string. So, ato siyang i-print sa ubos. Then, print, atong i-prompt, name, print age, prompt age, print program, print college school, and college school. So, ang result ana guys, is mauna siya, name, Ashley R. Dodelius, age, 21, program is IT, college school, Caraga State University. So, example in Java guys. So, unsa man atong nag-ibuhat guys? Here in Java, public class Ashley. Create a Google class nga kung ginganlan og Ashley, then public static void main string args nga ano yung una pagitaon sa Java. Ano yung main method. Then ako siyang gi-assign to string nga data type, then variable nga name, ako siyang gi-assign into string Ashley R. Dodelius, then int, integer man, age, so decimal siya. Then 21. String program is IT. Data type is string. Then variable nga college. Then assign to Caraga State University. Then ako siyang gi-print. System out print line. So you can see guys, sa Java jud is system out print line or system out print. Ang sa Python guys is print lang siya. Pero maoran sila og trabaho. The system out print line age from plus age, then system out print line program from plus program, then system out print line college, then school from plus college school. So, marga mo sila result guys. The name, Ashley R. Dodelius, age, 21, program is IT, college school, Caraga State University. So, roles, naming variables guys. So there are a few important rules with naming variables. So first, name start with a letter or underscore. not a number. So pinakauna jud guys is ang start jud is ang letter or underscore. Dili pwede ang number. So no space. So second is no space or special characters. So no space guys is wala space or special nga mga character. Then don't use reserved keywords like F, while, or for. So di na to pwede gamiton ng mga reserved keywords guys like F, while, or for. Kaya hindi na siya pwede guys. So variable names are case sensitive. So name and name are different. So lahi ang name nga the first character of the sentence is name is big and ang kining nga name is small. So lahi na siya guys, is different na siya. And data type. So there are few data type guys. First is integer. And so pasabot sa integer guys is whole number, lower number lang na siya guys, like 10, 12, 14, 2, float. So ang float guys is a numbers with decimal like 3.14, like 2.31, and string is str, short str. Text nung na siya guys, string like hello, hindi siya pwede o number. Ang boolean guys or bool, either true or false. An example in Python guys, then nag-declare ko variable nga age is equals 30, and price is equals 19.99, name, Ana is active, is true. Now to guys, ang age guys, nunaw na siya nga integer ni siya. The price is 19.99 is float. As you can see is na ay 0.99. The name Anna string na siya guys is active is equals true. Denote siya in boolean. Then print age. Print price. Then print name. Is active is active. So as you can see guys, ang result na ni guys is age is 30, price 19.99, name Anna is active, true. So integer, float, name, and integer, float, string, and boolean. So example in Java guys, so naguhat na po ko og class nga akong gingalan og Ashley. Then public static void main string or argument. So muna yung una gyapon guys pagitaon sa Java. Muna yung main method. So nag-assign ko data type nga integer, then age nga variable is equals to 30, then semicolon. Then double, na to guys, sa Python guys is float siya. Pag maabot na ta sa Java is may mo na siyang double. Then nag-assign ko data type nga double, then price nga variable is equals to 19.99. So string name is equals Anna. So boolean is active is true. So you can see guys, natin yung mga comment dito guys. So int, float in Java, unless precise, double, then string, boolean. So ato siyang gi-print, system out print age from plus age, system out print line price from plus price, system out print line name plus name, system out print line is active plus active. So as you can see guys, ang result is more yapon. 30, price is 19.99, name Anna is active is true. So integer, double, string, and boolean. So what are operators? So operators are symbols that perform action on variables or value. You have seen them math, like plus, minus, times, and divide. In programming guys, we also use this for computation and logic. So arithmetic operator, plus, addition, minus, subtraction, times, multiplication, and divide, division. Example in Python guys. So x nga variable atong gi-assign into 5, y nga variable atong gi-assign into 3. Ito siya nag-print. So equal ba daw? Tinuod ba daw nga ang x o si y is equal? So si x ba daw or si y is pareha ba daw? Equal ba daw sila? So you can see nga dili mas tinuod mao nang false siya guys. Then sa ikaduha guys, then print not equal. So niingon diri nga si x ba daw ug si y is dili ba daw sila equal. So tinuod man nga dili sila equal, so ang result is true. Ay katulo guys is print greater than x or si y is y. Mas dako ba daw si x kaysa ni y. So kay tinuod man guys, so true ang result. Then less than ba daw, mas gamay ba daw si x kaysa ni y. So mas gamay man makita nato dire nga ang mas gamay man si y kaysa ni x, then false. Then print greater or equal x is greater or equal to y. Then so tinuod man is true. Then print less than or equal, less than ba daw si x or equal kang y. So kay di man tinuod, then false. So in Java guys, mao lang gyapon sila. So public class Ashley, nagbuhat na kong class nga ang pangalan. So public static void main string args. So muna yung akong main method nga una pag itaon ni Java. Then nag-assign kong data type ng integer, then x nga variables equals to 5. Then integer na code, then y nga variables equals to 3. Then ako na po silang i-print. Then system out print line na tinuod ba daw nga si x equal ba daw sila ni y. So kung nga po tinuod, then false sub. So ako na pong i-print. Tinuod ba daw nga si x is dili equal ni y. So which is kay tinuod man, then true. Then system out print line si x ba daw is greater than ba daw kay y. So kay tinuod man nga mas dako si x kaysa kay y, then ang result is true. Then system out print line si x is less than ba daw kang y is tinuod man is false. Di man tinuod is false. Then system out print line greater than or equal si x is greater than or equal ba daw kay y. So kay tinuod man is true ang result. So system out print line less than or equal ba daw si x or less than or equal ba daw kang y. So di man tinuod is false. So pero na po ta guys sa logical operators. And so first is and. True only if both conditions are true. Si and guys, sa code, ma-true lang siya kung ang both condition is true. Kung pareha sila, tinuod. So ang or, true if at least one condition is true. Ma-true lang siya, true na siya tanan kung ang condition, at least na isa kong condition nga true. Not versus a condition. So mara na guys for today, and thank you for watching, and God bless us all. So see you on the next video. Love you guys.